Welcome back, everybody. It's Scott Gillum with the ShadowTrader short videos for this Pi Day, March 14th of 2024. Today, I'm going to take a look at Alphabet, Google, with the big move that the Fangman have made over the past few weeks and the pullback that we've seen in Alphabet. Since the first part of February, we've got a reversal going on. Alphabet has finally caught base around the 130 level and has now started to climb back up to some support levels and some resistance breakouts that put this downtrend line from the highs that we saw back in January to the 50 simple moving average around 139, 140. And now we're breaking to the upside. So let's tighten this up a little bit on the values. So we've got this downtrend line, which we've broken out of yesterday. The 8 and 21 EMAs have now crossed over bullish to the upside on a full breakout this morning with a small gap up. Tried to fill that gap on the downdraft. Up, and away we go. The trade here is to sell credit down around this 8 EMA reversal, around this 134, 135 level, and take advantage of this move to the upside with some pretty good results to the downside for credit. So here's the trade that I'm proposing. Take a look at the March 5 expiration. And right now, with Alphabet sitting around this 141, 142 level, one standard deviation puts us down to the 34 level on the pricing or strike. Proposed here to sell the 134 strike, go $3 below that, and buy that 131 as our protection area. So that's $3 of risk for about 30 cents of credit. Not much. It's about 10%. So let's do this by 2. In fact, let's do it by 3 if you've got the margin available. So I'm going to go $3 of risk times 3 is $9 of risk, about $1,000. But for that $1,000, we're going to pull in the equivalent of about $90 in credit. What's that give me? So if I take a look, $3 of risk minus $30 of credit gives me a $270 real risk. And I'm going to get $30 worth of credit on that $270. So just divide the 2 and we get an 11.1% return on capital. So there's your trade. Sell the 34, buy the 31, Alphabet. Continuation of the move to the upside. Time frame is out to April the 5th, just after the first of the month, to gain at a trade that's got a probability of success in the 83 percentile level. So any profit has an 83% potential to make us money. There you go, folks. Thank you much. Hi there, I'm Scott Gillum from the ShadowTrader SquawkBox, and I want to thank you for watching this video. If you like this content, make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons, and if you'd like to trade with me live every day in real time, check out ShadowTrader SquawkBox at shadowtrader.net/squawk or at the link in the description below. Good trading to you all, and I'll see you in the room.